Yo, Wizards versus Pacers, bro. Hey, man. I'm low-key. Low-key, I'm a Pacers hater, and it's crazy because I love Miles Turner. I like Obi Toppin. I like Maverick. I love Buddy Hield. That's my favorite player on the squad by far, and I love Buddy Hield. I like Halliburton too, bruh. But after that Bucks-ish, who do y'all think y'all are, bruh? That boy scored 1 point. Giannis had 63 more points. Y'all trying to be slick, bro. Y'all trying to be slick, bro. Y'all think that y'all contenders. Y'all think that you're this, bro. Yo, stay humble, dog. Stay humble, dog. Come on, Wizards. Somehow win this game. And I think it's versus the Wizards, bruh. Like, that's crazy. But I don't know. I just didn't like that. I just didn't like that. Like, give the man his ball in his house, in Milwaukee. Like, bro, respect greatness. Like, bro, 1 point. The rookie had 1 point, and I don't even know about that. Give the rookie the first. What if you have two rookies and they both score? Like, what? Who gets the ball? It doesn't even make sense, bro. But you know, Pacers are hooping, man. I got that Bruce Brown too. They are hooping. They are putting the league on notice, but they ain't on some Celtics, Bucks. Even the Sixers are Heat level type. Like, okay, cool. Come on, Washington somehow win. You haven't won a game in I don't know how long, but come on. Somehow, someway, this is game 4 out of 8 that I'm reacting to today. By the way, cool. The left. Okay. Okay.
To make him miss that shot with the left hand contest, so I love what Gafford's doing.
Off the inbound, Cal Kuzma. It's a 3.
But I don't know. Maverick. I just didn't like the way they, you know. I didn't like it. Damn. Damn. Okay, so the Wizards actually get a W. No freaking way. Huh? Halliburton. Burton. Okay. Bro, Burton been doing this 30 points, 15 assists shit this whole season. As if Trae Young ain't been doing that for the last 3 years, but everyone wants to hate on Trae Young though, right? Everyone wants to hate on Trae Young though, right? As if Trae Young ain't been doing that his whole freaking career. Crazy. And the Pacers got the better squad, bro. It was debatable, but before Dejounte Murray, definitely. Damn, Wizards! Y'all playing good. About time. Burton. Burton. Burton of Tyrese. Brown to Hield. To Hield.
Right back to score for Washington. He's got 14.
Jordan Poole, you want to get close.
Burton.
Halliburton coming back and forth offensive affairs. So
damn, Pacers cannot get a stop clearly.
Turner could hold on to the pass.
Lob it. Lob it. Lob it then. Lob it then. Poole gotta start playing nice now that Draymond got suspended. Poole gotta be, you feel me?
Rattles into that painted area. Guard the three-point line.
Halliburton with his left hand. Good screen set by Gav to free up
Poole.
Poole now.
Poole. Nice move. Damn, Poole finally! Come on!
Poole now at 28.
28 for Poole, damn! Best game of the season, damn near. About time. Come on, Kuz. If you're gonna foul, you gotta foul, bro.
Kuz is motioning for his teammates to get back on defense.
That's after a
you're gonna foul, Poole. You gotta. I mean, Kuz, you gotta time for that boy after air. Feel me? Like, damn. Stop it!
Floor spaced by Washington.
Okay.
Nothing but net on that 3. Tyus comes up with it and he wants to run. No look to Kuz. Kuz on the deck.
Ooh. Gafford. Gaffordster. The Gaffordster. Cool. Nice. Nice.
And then being a pest, drawing charges and just getting under your skin.
Okay.
Look at Corey Kispert getting the and one.
This one. That's pretty good.
Help right there. Now you got to close out the three-point shooters. I mean, they are smothered.
Damn, Wizards! I like it! Damn, game after this game, bullshit. Pacers lose to the Wizards. I don't think it's a coincidence. I don't think it's a coincidence. Yes! Oh!
Pacers looking to double team Koulibaly. Talk about respect. Swinging over.
Damn.
Kispert off the Jordan Poole feed.
I mean, that is a quick trigger right here.
Walker.
Nice Walker pull-up jumper. That was tapped in
hell?
by Aaron Nesmith.
You saw the turnovers begin to happen. So to your point, you want to see them put a foot on the gas.
And one!
Hone in and just continue to push away.
Yo, where's the Davis dude? Is that on the rotation?
Now it's 17. Spin move by McConnell. Gets the bucket. Out the basket. McConnell picking up his dribble.
McConnell.
Shoots a jumper, misses. Rebound by Jackson. Indiana takes advantage of
Don't
that.
choke. Please don't 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 choke. Come on, Kuz. You gotta give Kuz the ball. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Kuz. Yeah, Kuz. Yeah, Kuz. Let's go. Y'all didn't choke. Yes. I'm out of here. They've got the starters and I love it. Yeah. That's what y'all get for taking the game ball. You get blown by the Wizards next game.